Okay, example 31, part B. A parabola satellite dish is built so it is 30 centimeters deep and 80 centimeters wide as is shown. So there's a diagram here. And the part 1 of that is find an equation for the parabola. So we need to find the equation of the parabola here. So it was 30 centimeters deep, so that's the maximum value, the height, and then it's 80 centimeters wide. That's the x. Okay, so it's quite similar to part A. And do you remember part A? We got 3 unknowns, A, B, C, and then we had 3 points. So we need to find 3 points and substitute into the quadratic equation. The standard formula will be y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Then we will find the quadratic equation just like what we did from part A. So how are we going to find these 3 points? Now I'm going to put these diagram actually into the number plane. So I will say this 30 is up here, y-axis, and then I'm going to halve this 80 centimeters into 40 and 40 here. So that's looks like minus 40 here, looks like 40, and then I'm going to make a parabola. Right. So I have, I don't know whether you can see it, but I can see 3 points here right now. So if I could just circle that, that's 1 point here, which is 0 and 30. And here 40 and 0, and here minus 40 and 0. So we have 3 points, and we have, I'm going to put the origin here, and we will have 3 equations with it. So let's put this together. So I have 0 and 30, and I'm going to put it into the equation form, which will be 30 equals c, wouldn't it? Because x is 0, so the quadratic equation was y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and I'm going to put x equals 0. I'll end up with just c equals 30. Okay, that was good, easy. And I'm going to do 40 and 0. So that will be y value was 0, and a, and I'm going to have to put 40 squared plus b 40 plus, I'm going to put c equals 30 from the previous one. So maybe I could just use that. And if I just tied it up with this, I will go 40 square a plus 40b plus 30 equals 0. So that was my first one. This is my second. Now my third one will be similar. So it'll be minus 40 square a minus 40b plus 30 equals 0 will be third one. Okay, so if I sort of add this 2 and 3 together, I can get rid of this b's, yeah, and then I'll end up with the a's. So let's have a look. So 40 square plus 40 squared, because the minus 40 whole thing squared will be same as 40 squared. So that's a 1600, and I'm going to double that, will be 3200a plus 60 equals 0. So anyway, I'll just go 32a equals minus 60, and a will be minus So I'm doing divided by doing that. I will get 160. Oh, that's not it. 1 over 3 over 160. Yep, that's the other way around. So I'll go 60. Oops, it's not very good. Over 3,200. Therefore, oh, we can't even see. A equals minus 3 over 160. Okay, so that's what I've got. So I had C equals 30, A equals minus 3 over 160. I might just clean up this one, tidy up a little bit. Now I'm going to put minus 60. Yep, that looks better. Okay, so I've got that, and I'm going to substitute A equals minus 3 over 160, and then C equals 30 into, let's see, maybe 2, equation 2, which was 1600A plus 40B plus 30 equals 0. But we have A here, so I'm going to do times minus 3 over 160 plus 40B plus 30 equals 0. So if I put that into your calculator, I will get 16, so that's, maybe I just go 30 minus 30, so minus 30 will get plus 40b, so I think we will get 0. Interesting. So I will get minus 30 plus 40b plus 30 equals 0. So now I'm cancelling this out. Well, 40b equals 0, therefore b equals 0. Okay, so what happens now is, so I'm going to get a new paper here. So I had A equals, what was my A? Minus 3 over 160. And then what was a B? B was 0. And what was a C? My C was 30. And now my equation is that y equals minus 3 over 160 x squared plus, I don't have a B because B is 0, and 30. So that will be my equation for the parabola. Oh, can't see. Okay, so that's my equation. Okay, so part 2 is coming up.